In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to draw a parallel channel in TradingView. Whether you're a seasoned trader or just dipping your toes into the trading world, visual tools like parallel channels are invaluable for chart analysis. They help you easily identify potential support and resistance areas, which can guide your trading decisions. So, let's dive into the step-by-step process of setting up one of these channels in TradingView. First, open TradingView and navigate to the chart you want to analyze. If you're unfamiliar with TradingView, it's a comprehensive charting platform used by millions of traders around the world. Once you've accessed your desired chart, turn your attention to the left sidebar where all the tools reside. Locate the trendline tools on this sidebar. They are indispensable when drawing channels or lines to predict potential price movements. You'll need to click on the small arrow next to the trendline tool. This step is crucial because it will display additional options nested under the trendline tool. Options we'll use to draw our parallel channel. After clicking the arrow, a drop-down menu will appear. Here you can select various drawing tools. Among these, you should see the parallel channel option. Click on parallel channel to activate it. You'll notice your cursor will change, indicating that the tool is now active and ready to use. Now you're prepared to draw the channel. The first click on your chart should be where you want your parallel channel to begin. This initial point could be at a recent high or low, depending on your strategy or what the chart tells you. Think of this as anchoring your channel's starting edge. Move your cursor to the next relevant point on your chart, aligning with the trend you wish to analyze. This step sets the width and angle of your channel, crucial for accurate representation. Click again to define the length of your channel. This second click completes defining the upper or lower boundary of your channel, setting a visual guide for price movement. Your parallel channel is now visible on the chart, encompassing the price action between the two lines. It's a great way to see if prices are respecting a potential trend. Should you need to adjust the channel's position or angle, simply click and drag it into your preferred spot. If you're happy with your analysis, you can use this channel as a reference for your trading strategies, recalibrating as needed when new data comes in. Drawing parallel channels and understanding how price interacts with these lines can be a game changer in your technical analysis kit. Remember, practice makes perfect. Spend some time drawing channels and observing price behavior within them. Eventually, this will enhance your ability to make informed trading decisions. That's all for today, and I hope you found this guide on drawing parallel channels in TradingView helpful.